Introduction to PL1. What is PL1? So you all know that this is a very old language, and PL1 stands for Programming Language 1, and it is a high level programming language it is like COBOL, but it can do the scientific calculations also. So it is basically developed for the business and scientific applications. So PL1 can handle business data processing, scientific calculations, string processing, and file handling. As you know, COBOL can do only arithmetic operations but not scientific calculations. So this is one advantage, that PL1 can do scientific calculations as well. Oh, okay. Now, like, it is mainly used in mainframe systems. We all know this. This is for mainframe systems, and PL1 programs run mostly on IBM mainframes. So, as per my knowledge, that this works on mainframes only. Like, I'm not sure. Maybe it will work on other technologies, like other systems also. And coming to the history of PL1, so it was developed by IBM in 1964. Like, as I said, it is a like, it can do arithmetic operations along with the scientific calculations. So that time there are two popular languages, like one is COBOL and another one is Fortran. So IBM wanted to do both the operations by using single language. So they created like PL1, so that can handle both business and scientific tasks. And PL1 became widely used on mainframe systems for banking, insurance, and government applications. And and the biggest question is, like, this is very old, and why companies still use PL1? Like, many large companies are still using PL1 because, so what the first reason is, like, I wrote it in the last, but the main reason is that rewriting them would cost millions of dollars. So instead of rewriting and changing the entire system, they are still using it because it is working very fast, and this is one of the strongest and powerful language. So the main reason is that stability. So PL1 programs run for many years without any problems. And the second one is, as I said, it is a powerful language, so it can do the data handling very quickly, and like, it supports strong data handling and calculations. And as I said, most of the legacy systems are still using the PL1, so that's why it is widely used. And examples of systems which are using PL1, like banking systems, insurance claim systems, and government data systems. And okay, so this is theory. You can write it and you can just remember these things. This is not that important, but we should know before entering into the PL1, the history of PL1 and why we are still using it. Now, get into the program. So this is the first program, like skeleton of the program, that how we will start writing PL1. So uh, in PL1, the program will start from proc option. So here you can write procedure options as well. So let's add that as well. Okay, the font is different, it's okay. So here it is showing the procedure option main. So system will understand from this line the execution will start. So there are no identification reasons, there is no program name, nothing. You don't have to do anything. Directly you can write procedure option, and this is what we call as label. So label will be ended with a colon. Okay, so here we have to use colon, and the most important rule is every line should end with a semicolon. So for each line we have to give a semicolon at end, and this is how we will start the program. So first we will give the label and a colon, and then we will give procedure options main. So now the like execution will start and the cursor will come to this line is like same like display statement in the COBOL program. So we know that put skip list hello world, that means it will print hello world in the output. And since you opened the label here, you have to close the label. So I'm just using open close words because you guys can understand quickly. But like, when you write a label at the end of the program, you have to give a end label. So here the label name is hello, so I am giving end hello and semicolon. As I said, semicolon is mandatory for each and every line. So what put skip list will do? So it will skip a line before printing the data, and it will print the data in the output. So the output for the output for this program will be hello world. This is a simple program which we can do using PL1. I hope you guys understood.